Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can add money in your PayPenny account. So it is extremely simple, and first of all you need to open your PayPenny app on your mobile phone and you need to open your account. Once you open your account, this is the home screen that you're going to see, and as you can see here you've got all of these options, but you need to choose the add money option since you need to add money into your PayPenny account. And once you click on add money, simply then you'll need to add how you want to transfer your money, and then it will give you an option to enter your bank account details. Then you can enter your bank account details, and then simply you can just add money from your bank account to PayPenny. You can confirm your amount yourself, and then you will be able to transfer money to PayPenny. Just remember that when you're on your home screen, you'll simply just have to do this with add money, as you can see right here, and then you'll be able to transfer your money to your PayPenny. And if you already have a bank account in PayPenny linked, you will just click on add money, you will choose that bank account, and then you will simply just confirm the cash. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.